follow the evidence muna.
Okay.
O wag na, don't put words into my mouth.
Sir, sabi niyo,
kaya tayo na mga ganyang tanong, di ba?
Ano ang link sa pagitan ni Martin Romualdez at ni Zaldico?
He was speaker and he was chairman of appropriations. As simple as that.
So malinaw na merong ugnayan?
Meron pang iba yan. Meron pa ibang factors na i-consider regarding the projects that were implemented.
Presidente Marcos na patungkol, and let me just quote, ito ay patungkol sa mga impormasyon ng dating Speaker Martin Romualdez at sa ni Zaldico. Pag nakita lahat ng ebidensya, baka mag-file ng kaso ng plunder o anti-graft o indirect bribery. Gaano na po kalakas yung hawak natin?
Ayun nga, I have to look at the submission of the ICI today. I haven't seen it. I went straight here to the Senate. So hindi ko pa nakikita.
But definitely, mangyayari.
Mangyayari yun. Siyempre, pagkaaralan natin lahat yan. Ano ito everything is based on evidence. Pag meron silang allegations doon na hindi suportado ng ebidensya, ikakalap muna namin yan para maging basis ng filing. Kasi, paano ka magpa-file kung wala naman We don't want to file weak cases. The cases have to be properly vetted and prepared.
Gaano kabigat yung mga cases na possibly...
I haven't seen it, so I cannot tell you what cases I will file. That's the recommendation of the ICI, but we will have to evaluate everything.
Sir, sorry to be sure, definitely mangyayari. Definitely kakasuhan niyo sila ko and Romualdez?
Hindi nga, follow the evidence muna.
Okay.
O wag na, don't put words into my mouth.
Sir, sabi niyo,
kaya tayo na mga ganyang tanong, di ba?
Ano ang link sa pagitan ni Martin Romualdez at ni Zaldico?
He was speaker and he was chairman of appropriations. As simple as that.
So malinaw na merong ugnayan?
Meron pang iba yan. Meron pa ibang factors na i-consider regarding the projects that were implemented.
How about Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin and si Adrian Bersamin? Kumusta po ang investigasyon?
Ongoing.
Sir, yung mga sinabi po ni Orly Gutesa dun sa Senate hearing, kailangan po niyang may pakita ding ebidensya.
Hahanapin pa namin si Orly Gutesa. We'll have to find him
Until now,
to substantiate everything. Kasi nga, hindi na siya nagpakita. He didn't show up at DOJ when I was the Secretary of Justice. So, hahanapin pa natin niya.
Sir, kung wala si Gutesa, posible bang humina yung
We will look
case?
at other evidence. Ano yan Hindi lang naman isang tao tapos kaso na, tapos na. Hindi po ganoon. Ikakalap natin yan, mga kontrata, mga bidding documents. Lahat po yan, kailangan kompleto ang presentation sa korte. Ano yan Ilalatag mo lahat sa korte yan para alam ng huwes na kompleto yung iyong pag-aaral sa kaso file mo.
Okay. So yung videotape ni nasa license.
Okay na?
Okay na, sir.
Sige.
what do you make of the ICI recommendation po about Zaldico and Romualdez?
We will have to evaluate it. We have to look at the contents of the recommendation and the attached documents so we will know how to act on the matter. Kasi everything is evidence-based. We cannot file cases without the evidence as part of our filing.
Yung pag-announce, sir, nung paglabas ng warrant, hindi nyo na po ba yung gagawin? Since na-question kanina sa...
Hindi, kasi ako naman kasi, I just respond to questions. So next time, probably, we will try to be more conservative about this matter. Kasi nga, we try to calculate the time period involved in every stage of the proceeding, and those estimates are just guesstimates. They're not meant to influence anybody.
Sir, how about itong latest recommendation, sir? Ano po yung timeline? Ano yung process na susundin?
Hindi, gano'n yun. Evaluation muna, titingnan namin yung contents, fact-finding, and fact-finding, if there are things that are needed para pwede namin i-subject sa preliminary investigation. Kasi nga, kung hilaw ang kaso, kailangan muna ng case build-up bago kami mag-preliminary investigation.
Pero no less than that.
Matagal yung ganung proseso, sir, bago mag-file?
Ano yan it can take from a few days to a few months. We don't know. Depende yan sa dami ng ebidensya makukuha kagad.
Pero no less than the ICI recommended the charges, malaki rin ba ang chance na ombudsman po will file charges against Co and Romualdez po?
Ano yan? Basta we will follow the evidence.
Sir, ano yung mga ebidensya na nakita natin? Kasi before...
Hindi ko pa nakikita yung filing kasi dumiretso na ako rito So what they turned over this morning, I haven't seen yet. So I can only act on it by Monday. Kasi I have another function to go to after this.
Can we say before end of the year, there will be filing of charges, sir?
There will be more charges filed. Marami kaming file na kaso. Marami na under preliminary investigation. There are at least siguro 15 cases right now
Before-
under PI. 14 or 15 cases.
Before end of the year yan, sir, the filing of charges.
Oh yeah.
About flood control yan lahat, sir.
Oh yes.
Ombudsman Maurice Umali po of
Yes,
GMA News.
yes.
Sinabi
Yung value or can you take
Wala, hindi
cognizance?
naman sa sworn statement eh. Well, it gives us a few clues on what transpired from his point of view or in accordance with his state of mind.
Sorry to clarify, sir. Habang hinahanap si Guteza, hindi magagamit yung mga sinabi niya na sa Senate?
Hindi, kasi hindi namin pwedeng gamitin yun kung hindi niya haharapan na sasabihin na itong affidavit na to, akin talaga to, at ako mismo nag-prepare niyan, personal knowledge ko lang yari dyan, ganun yan eh.
Kahit notarized, sir, yung statement.
Hindi nga, that's still, not a notarized statement has no value unless sumarap yung tao para manumpa ulit.
Pero sir, sworn statement yung doon
Oh, pero
sa Senate.
sa initial evaluation, it's a sworn statement. Pero para i-conduct namin sa PI yan at gamitin namin, kinakailangan manumpa rin siya sa harap namin.
Sir, sorry, yung pong sa videotape ni Zaldico, masusundan ninyo as clue yung mga sinabi niya?
Well, we're looking at it already. Hindi masusundan. Sinusundan na namin yung pwede namin magamit doon. Kung merong relevance talaga.
Sir, that
Di ba kasi ano yan eh? Yung isadi ko parang crowdsourced information yan eh. Kasi hindi nga siya umaharap para harap. Dapat kasi humarap siya eh. Di ba?
Pero is there an effort to already coordinate with him para ipa...
Hindi, alam natin.
Ano yun?
Hindi,
Sinabi
alam
niya.
natin kasi di ba? He's not coming home. Ayaw niyang umuwi para patotohanan yung kanyang mga sinasabi. Wala namang hindi po. Pwede ba namang lalabas ka sa social media sabay makapakulong ako ng tao based on what you said? Hindi po ganoon. Proseso po ng hustisya ang ating sinusunod dito. Okay?
Sir, yung cancellation po ng passport niya, kamusta na?
Ando na, ongoing na yan. May motion na yan na pending sa Sandigan Bayan.